Hi, welcome to my fusion style cooking channel. Today we are going to prepare twisted tomato soup. I am showing you the ingredients, that is garlic, 4 to 5 cloves, bay leaf, onion, red ripe tomato, sugar, then vermicelli. Next is our favorite local herb, pulai or galangal. We call it pulai in our Manipuri. Then unsalted butter, crushed black pepper, salt, and apple cider vinegar. All the ingredients can be easily found in stores. First, we wash the tomato, cut it into wedges, and spread the tomatoes over the tray. Always use red ripe tomato for better taste. Slice the onion and spread it along the tomato. Same with the garlic. Take peeled garlic, 6 to 7 pieces, crushed, and put it along the other vegetables. Bay leaf, 2 of them. For galangal, we wash them, peel, cut, and along with the vegetables. Salt, I'm going to sprinkle very lightly, and crushed black pepper for baking purposes. Then we have the apple cider vinegar, about 10 to 20 ml. Mix. Sugar for sweetness, and I like the flavor of caramelized sugar. So ready for baking. Into the oven at 250 degrees Celsius for about 25 minutes. Once we complete with 25 minutes, it's ready for the second step. So here I'm using unsalted butter, about 2 tablespoons. I heat up a pan with a medium heat, melt the butter. Now we can drop in all the vegetables from the baking tray. I'm adding here another half teaspoon of salt. It will help you to break down the tomato and other ingredients. You can even use equipments to break down, to mash it. Now I'm going to pour in 2.5 cups of water. Now I am adding roux. Roux is basically a preparation of flour and butter. The flour is sauteed with butter. It helps you to thicken the soup. At the same time, it enhances the flavor. I will share you another video on roux. However, it is optional. If you like your soup thin, then you can avoid using of roux. Now, at this moment, I am straining the soup. I am removing all the unwanted pulps and peels. You can get 3 medium-sized bowl of soup from this recipe, but I have used 2 large cup. Over here, I am topping with butter to give a glaze as well as to enhance the flavor. Now here is the twist. I have used fried vermicelli as topping and cornflakes. Usually a tomato soup is served and accompanied by crouton and bread rolls, but here I have given a little twist of vermicelli and cornflakes. Guys, all I have to say is be open to new and different ideas, new recipes. Also, if you have any query, any question, or any recipe you can share, I can help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my video so I can share you more such video in the future.